I got a question asking if we can use attribute Bob or different node instead of attribute Wrangle, and it is doable. So first I will show you how we're going to do it, and then I will tell you why you should not be skipping node Wrangle in the future. Really, it's very important for your Houdini career. So here we have an attribute Bob that I created just to replicate the setup. Now what I've done here, I taking the position, added relative to point bounding box, relative to point bounding box, and from that I only isolated the x-axis because this is going along the x, and I added a ramp, which you can see this is the effect of the ramp, and I isolated the vector here where we have x, y, and z, and I added the value to the y, and then I added it back using a float to vector, and here I'm using vector to float, as well as here to the main component, then plugging it back to point. This is how I now can create and control the line from an attribute Bob. It's the same exact logic as the attribute Wrangle, by the way. It's possible to achieve similar result with a bend, but it's really not recommended. This allows you to control the shape. Now why skipping node Wrangle is a bad idea? Because node Wrangle allow you to do so much work with a few lines of code, and it actually saves you a lot of time, and it's like somewhat easy to get to use specs. Takes some time, I'm going to cover it soon, but like it's very important to learn it and do things the hard way, the way are intended in this software, so you don't end up wasting a lot of unnecessary time.